Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Wi-Fi auto join on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on your home screen, tap on settings, and then in settings tap on Wi-Fi. Next we tap on the information button next to the Wi-Fi that you want to change, and then in here tap on auto join switch to turn it on or turn it off. Now with auto join, it has the ability to automatically connect you to a Wi-Fi network when you already have the credentials. So say if you go away from your home network, then your Wi-Fi will turn off, but when you come back home, your phone should automatically allow you to reconnect to that same Wi-Fi without you having to do anything. So that is what this auto join do, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.